Hi, it's Wendy. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to turn yourself into an ice cream this summer. Ready to add some cool vibe to your summer photos? Let's get it! First, you need to add yourself to the ice cream photo. Click the Add Photo button and choose a photo from your album. Then, find the Cutout feature to cut yourself out. And here you can choose the Auto Detect. It'll help you to select the main subject and cut it out automatically after you click the check mark. Then you can see where to put yourself by adjusting the opacity and use the eraser to fix the outline. After that, I want ice cream and I to blend better, so I'll add the ice cream photo again. And use the Cutout tool to select the top ice cream part again. Place it on my dress. Then click the blender, choose Multiply to blend it with my dress, and show the decorations on it. Erase to fix the outline again. You can also add some food decorations on yourself. I'm gonna hold a macaron, yep! Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. When I'm editing this, I always think of this song. Hello. Okay, let's save changes and move on to the last step. I want to introduce you to our new summer frames. Find the frames by clicking on the shop to find more frame collections. Choose the first beach and tropical collection, download and use it. And these are what it looks like after you put these frames on your edit. All of them are so cute, right? It's so hard to decide, but I love the flamingo design in this one, so I'm gonna choose this one and save it. Okay, that's all for today's video. Did you get the summer energy from this tutorial too? Download YouCam Perfect app through the link in the description box, and let's try this ice cream edit together to make your summer beach photos more unique and colorful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!